Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the hotspot is on and your client device is connected. This is essential because IPs are assigned after association. Once connected, check the device type, phone, dedicated hotspot, or router, since interfaces differ. Next, open your device's network settings and look for the active Wi-Fi connection to the hotspot. This step gives you access to local IP details and DHCP info. Make sure to keep the hotspot active while you proceed, because addresses can change when the link resets. On your device, retrieve the assigned IP and the gateway, the hotspot's IP, using built-in tools. For Windows, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig. Read the ip address and default gateway. On a Mac or iPhone, open Wi-Fi settings and tap the connected network for IP and router fields. On Android, open Wi-Fi, choose Advanced or Network Details to see IP and gateway. Once you have the gateway, you found the hotspot's management IP and can use it for admin access or diagnostics. Now verify that IP by pinging the gateway from your device. A successful reply confirms it's reachable. Next, enter that gateway IP into a browser to open the hotspot's admin page, or use the vendor's mobile app for deeper settings. You'll need credentials if prompted. If the IP is unreachable, toggle the hotspot or reconnect your client, and then recheck the DHCP lease and IP assignment. A restart of the hotspot or client often clears stale leases. Use that as your primary troubleshooting step if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.